Chapter 1, Introduction. Chapter 1.1, Greeting.
Hi, Eric.
Hi, Susan.
How are you?
I'm fine, but my cafe is not well.
Why is that?
I'm losing customers because of the new cafe that recently opened near me.
I'm sorry to hear that. What can I do to help?
With your MBA degree, perhaps you could give me some advice.
I would be happy to.
Thank you, Susan. Chapter 1.2, What is marketing? What can I do to get back my customers?
You can use marketing strategy. Marketing is one of the subjects in the MBA program.
Marketing?
Yeah. Do you know marketing?
Well, does marketing mean research?
Research is a part of marketing.
Okay, does marketing mean advertising?
Advertising is a part of marketing.
Well, does marketing mean selling?
Selling is a part of marketing.
For you, Susan, what is marketing?
All of them.
All of them?
Yeah. Marketing is the series of activities for research, creating, advertising, selling, delivering, and exchanging offerings that have value for customers.
I see. By the way, why should I use marketing for my cafe?
Marketing helps you select your target market, determine the value of your services, and communicate it to your customers.
It seems difficult.
Don't worry, I will help you.
Chapter 1.3, Customer Satisfaction.
Do you think about a top priority of marketing?
Well, I think that a top priority of marketing is sales.
Sales is not a top priority of marketing.
Is profit a top priority of marketing?
No, profit is not a top priority of marketing.
For you, Susan, what is a top priority of marketing?
A top priority of marketing is customer satisfaction.
Customer satisfaction?
Yeah, you should provide services that satisfy your customers.
I see. Chapter 1.4, Needs, Wants, and Demands. How can I satisfy my customers?
If you could meet the demands of your customers would be satisfied with your services.
How can I meet the demand of my customers?
You should understand the difference between needs, wants, and demands.
Needs, wants, and demands?
Yeah, needs are the basic human requirements like shelter, clothes, food, water, and so on. Wants aren't essential for humans to survive, but wants are products or services desired by customers.
What is the difference between wants and demands?
Even if the customer requires high-quality products or services that are very expensive, the customer couldn't easily buy them.
Yeah.
When a customer wants something which is very expensive, but the customer also has the ability to buy it, then these wants are converted to demands.
I see. If the customers are willing and able to buy my services, it means that they have demands. So I should understand customers' demands and meet the demands by my services.
Exactly. Good job, Eric.
Chapter 1.5, Marketing Process. How should I do marketing?
At first, you should do research.
Research?
Yeah, research means to analyze the business situation of your cafe.
I see. What's next?
After that, you should do planning.
Planning?
Yeah, planning means that you make marketing plans.
I see. What's next?
After that, you should do implementation.
Implementation?
Yeah, implementation means to act according with your plan.
I see. Is that the end of the marketing process?
No, it isn't. After that, you should do measurement.
Measurement?
Yeah, measurement means to verify the effectiveness of your plan.
I see. Is that the end of the marketing process?
No, it isn't. Finally, you should do optimization.
Optimization?
Optimization means to revise your plan again. By repeating the cycle, you can continuously improve your cafe for your customer satisfaction.
Oh, I see. Thank you, Susan.
You are welcome, Eric.